If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Slack subscription, follow these steps to ensure that your account does not renew automatically. Step 1. Log into Slack. Visit the Slack website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access billing settings. Once logged in, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Administration, then choose Billing to access your billing settings. Step 3. Review subscription details. In the billing section, review your current subscription details. Look for the section that outlines your renewal date and auto-renewal settings. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Find the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off or uncheck the box. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm any changes if prompted. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. Make sure to keep track of your subscription expiration date and consider renewing manually if you wish to continue using Slack.